Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. Today we have a very useful video. If you tried to uninstall Ubuntu from a dual boot setup by simply deleting the partition in Windows and are now trapped on a scary black GNU GRUB command screen, you are not alone. I will show you exactly how to safely bypass this screen to get back into Windows and permanently delete the leftover Linux boot files. Let's get started. First, on the black GRUB screen, type the letters LS and press Enter to display a list of your computer's partitions, which will look like HD0, GPT1 inside parentheses, HD0, GPT4, and so on. Find the specific partition holding your boot files by typing ls space open parentheses HD0, GPT1 close parentheses /. Ensure you include the / at the end and hit Enter. If you don't see an EFI folder, repeat this command using the other partition names on your list until you locate it. Once you find the partition with the EFI folder, type insmod space chain and press Enter. Then type chainloader space open parentheses HD0, GPT1 close parentheses /EFI /Microsoft /boot bootmgfw.efi. Replace the HD0, GPT1 part with your correct partition name and hit Enter. Finally, type boot and press Enter. This step is crucial because GRUB is crashing because it cannot find the Ubuntu partition you deleted. Using these commands manually forces the system to bypass GRUB and directly trigger the Microsoft Windows bootloader so you can access your desktop. Next, once you are back inside Windows, right-click your Start menu and open Terminal, Windows PowerShell, or Command Prompt as an administrator. Type exactly mountvol space the letter B followed by a colon space /s into the window and hit Enter. Doing this assigns the letter B to your hidden system EFI partition, temporarily mounting it so you can access and modify the core boot files. Quick tip, if the command throws an error, it means the letter B is already in use by another drive. Simply try the command again using an unused letter like mountvol Z:/ S or mountvol Y:/ S. Now, open your web browser, search for a free portable application called Explorer++ and download it. Extract the downloaded zip file, right-click the Explorer++ application file, and select Run as Administrator. Inside Explorer++, navigate to the new B drive or whichever letter you assigned, open the EFI folder, find the folder specifically named Ubuntu or Fedora, and delete it completely. The standard Windows File Explorer blocks you from viewing system boot drives, even as an administrator. Running Explorer++ bypasses this restriction, allowing you to delete the leftover Linux files so your computer boots normally into Windows the next time you restart. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.